What's up, guys? Today we are doing a fractional distance on a coordinate plane. So last week or the week before, we ended up doing fractional distance on a number line. So basically we found the distance between 2 points. It wanted us to find a fraction of that, and we had to find where the point was on that line segment. That was the fraction of that line. So today what we're doing is we are actually doing the same thing, but we are doing it on a coordinate plane. Okay? Doing it on a coordinate plane. So what we're working on here is it says we need to find 1/3 of the distance between the coordinate 2, 1 and the coordinate 8, 4. So we actually learned how to find distance between these 2 points. So we're taking the distance and we are finding where 1/3 of that distance is going to be. Okay? So the first thing we need to do, we are actually given a formula, and that formula is written as so. So you're going to take x1, you're going to add k, which is going to be your fraction, and you're going to multiply it by what the distance is between the x coordinates. So I'm going to do x2 minus x1. And whenever I solve for this, it's actually going to give you the x coordinate of where 1/3 of that line is going to be. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing with the y. So I'm going to do y1 plus the same fraction again, and then I'm going to do y2 minus y1. And so literally this is going to be the whole formula that you're going to plug in order to find all this. So I'm going to go ahead and label my points so it makes it easier for me to plug in. So I'm going to make these my 1s, so x1, y1. I'm going to make these my 2s, so x2, y2. Then all I got to do is plug everything in. So here we go. x1 is 2. My k is going to be what the fraction of that line I want it to be. x2 is 8. x1 is 2. Same thing with the y's. So y1 is 1. The k is 1/3. y2 is going to be 4. Minus y1 is going to be 1. Okay? And then literally all I got to do is solve it out. So first I'm going to work this inside the parentheses. So 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. And then I'm going to bring everything else down. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring everything else down. Okay, so now I got to get rid of I got to do multiplication first in PEMDAS. So 1/3 of 6, which is the same thing as saying 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. So 2 plus 2. 1/3 of 3 is the same thing as saying 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1. So 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So ladies and gentlemen, what you have here is going to be the coordinate of 1/3 of the line between 2 and 1. So the way we're going to look at this, if you guys look over here on this little coordinate system I drew here, and it's not going to be perfect, I'm just going to put it so we can get a visual. So 2, 1, if I go over 2 and up 1 is going to be about right here. And 8, 4. So if I go over 8 and up 4 is going to be about right here. It's going to look something like this. And so the main thing you need to do, if you see this, 4, 2, if I count over, go 4 and up 2, that's going to go about right here, this point. And so that point right there is going to be 1/3 of the line connected between 2, 1 and 8, 4. And so that's going to be the 1/3 point. So ladies and gentlemen, this equation right here is going to help you to find the fractional distance of any line segment on a coordinate plane.